Welcome to the magnificent Agra Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that stands as a testament to India's rich Mughal history. This grand fortress, located in the city of Agra, was one of the earliest constructions initiated during the reign of Emperor Akbar. As you step inside, you'll notice that most of the stunning structures within the fort were actually built later, under the rule of Shah Jahan. The fort's massive red sandstone walls enclose a world of architectural marvels, lush gardens, and stories from centuries past. Let's explore the wonders that make Agra Fort a true jewel of Indian heritage. Inside Agra Fort, you'll find a collection of remarkable buildings, each with its own unique story. Among the most prominent are the Modi Masjid, a stunning white marble mosque built by Shah Jahan, and the Diwan-i-Am, or Hall of Public Audience, where the emperor addressed the people. There's also the Diwan-i-Khas, the Hall of Private Audience reserved for important meetings and dignitaries. Don't miss the Jahangiri Mahal, an impressive palace, and the Sheesh Mahal, also known as the Turkish Bath, famous for its intricate mirror work. Each structure reflects the artistic brilliance and grandeur of the Mughal era. Beyond its grand halls and palaces, Agra Fort is also known for its beautiful gardens, designed in the traditional charbagh style. These gardens provided a peaceful retreat for the royal family and their guests, with symmetrical layouts and lush greenery. During Akbar's reign, the fort was not just a military stronghold but also a vibrant royal residence. In fact, more than 5,000 women lived in Akbar's harem within these walls, highlighting the fort's importance as a center of courtly life and culture. Today, the gardens and courtyards continue to echo the stories of those who once walked here.